So Carlos is with Botfactory, and he'll be telling us about driving electronics in the age of AI. So hi, Carlos.
Hello, everyone. I guess today I felt
Nice to see
like
you.
bringing a little bit of a new topic to the table because I love the idea of having everyone in this community have a little bit of a chat on where are we going, why are we going, and what is next, right? So very glad to be here, and thanks to the Technic team for having me and inviting me. I'm very happy.
Delighted to have you.
All right.
Really delighted to have you. So Carlos, when you're ready, please, share your screen.
All right. So for everyone, Botfactory, it's a company that has been around for several years. We manufacture equipment that allows the production of essentially printed PCBs and electronics in general. Our experience has spanned through several fields, including research labs, some defense contractors, and even space. And there's a lot of things that we've learned along the way. But one of those is being able to adapt to what is happening next and what people want, right? And why do we want things, right? And I think a big topic that has been in hype is this generative AI topic. And in a nutshell is being able to talk to a machine, right? They call them chats, right? But in reality, you're talking to a machine and you're trying to explain to it what you want to achieve. And many of you probably are already perfectly, aware and probably capable at ChatGPT or BART or you name it, right? And this technology has been very successful at creating different things, like for example, text, images, even coding. Like today, you can go onto ChatGPT or BART for that matter and type like, I want you to create a website that will do this and this. And as long as your explanation is complete enough, you can get code out of it that is fully functional. Another great thing, and particularly good for researchers, is you can provide a data set. Imagine a set of papers, books, reports that you want a summary from it, and then it will just make it for you, right? So you save yourself several years of reading by doing this. And of course, it's very useful. And just to exemplify a little bit how powerful this is in like, today, right? I'm not even talking about how it would be tomorrow. I'm gonna bring this example of how quickly it is to create a company using this type of technology, right? So I was thinking about an idea, and I live in New York. And I think the number one thing that kind of hit me in my face every morning was like, how do I park my car in the streets of New York? They are packed every single day. And if you find one spot, you really want to hold it forever. So I came up with this idea of the infla car, right? Imagine it's like an inflatable car. It looks ultra realistic. You leave the spot, you inflate it, and it will keep this place for you. So I went with this idea. What you see here, the slogan, the logo, the picture, all of this is made via AI, right? And then I went and spent some time with this, and I said, how long would it take me to write a business plan for this? And if you still have to get like a market study, you have to figure out what the right pricing is, you have to think about what would you need to spend in marketing, to make this fly and all that. And you can spend around 1 hour and get a fully written business plan for this. You can go and create some renders of the product, how they will look. This will take you 15 minutes using DALL-E. You can create a video explainer that will show the car like being inflated in the middle of the street and how good like cops can walk around it and not really notice what it is. That will take you probably 15 minutes. The website, I don't know any website platform that doesn't allow this already. They will create a website for you. You just tell it what it is more or less, and it will create a basic front end for what you need in 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can head over to Salesforce. Yes, you'll have to pay a little bit more, but they can literally write all your sales marketing campaign and then actually execute on your sales by creating like little access points to your storefront in many, many places. And this can be run automatically, right? So what I'm saying is that you can create a company